Namaste, bright minds. A tall building needs a strong foundation. Today, at Ujjwal Bhavishya, we lay another perfect brick in your knowledge. I am Gyani, your architect. Good evening, future leaders. Welcome to day 4 of your magnificent journey. Today, we explore something powerful, the things we have and the words we use to express them. Before we discover new treasures, let us celebrate yesterday's powerful victory. You mastered the art of painting pictures with words, using beautiful adjectives to describe your world. You learned the golden formula: subject, am, is, are, plus adjective. I am happy. She is brilliant. They are ready. You can now express your feelings, your observations, your unique perspective on everything around you. These describing words are now yours forever. What excellent progress! Today we add another essential skill to your growing collection. Let me share the profound wisdom of Swami Vivekananda. He said, "You have to grow from the inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul." Think deeply about this. The greatest power we have is the power within ourselves. Today, we learn to speak clearly about what we possess. Not just material things, but our inner treasures too. Our courage, our dreams, our unlimited potential. Let me reveal one of English's most logical secrets about possession. There are only 2 words you need to master: have and has. They follow a perfect, unbreakable rule. Imagine 2 powerful families. The have family includes I, you, we, they, and all plural nouns. Students, friends, teachers. If there are many, use have. I have a dream. You have potential. We have goals. They have success. The has family includes he, she, it, and any single noun. Rohan, Priya, the book. If there is one, use has. He has courage. She has wisdom. It has beauty. Rohan has talent. This rule never changes. It is absolute and eternal. Now watch this rule create real-life magic in your daily conversations. In the office, I have a meeting at 11 a.m. She has an excellent idea. See the perfect logic? I needs have. She needs has. With friends, we have a holiday next week. He has a new bike. Again, flawless pattern. We demands have. He requires has. But remember, we can have things like books and phones. We can also have qualities like courage and kindness. We can have experiences like joy and success. The beautiful truth: once you learn this rule, you will never make a mistake. Your mind will automatically choose the correct word. This is the power of understanding patterns. You now have the language of possession. You can speak clearly about what you own, what you feel, what you dream. From I have hope to we have the power to change the world. You have grown from the inside out today. Have confidence in your progress. For more wisdom, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya and ring the bell. Keep shining.